Hello all. Do you maybe have some of these radio station CT Micron, Intek HR2040, AnyTone 778 or 779, Retevis 2095, Radioddity DB20 or similar, and missing USB cable to connect it so you can update channel list and work with it from your PC. In this video, you're going to learn how to build that cable by yourself. Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today video we'll talk about this USB cable and how to make it. But first, maybe you have to know why I was pushed to make this cable. In short words, ordered station from Temu. Temu claimed that it will be delivered with USB cable and software. Station is delivered, it's working, you see it in the corner. However, no USB cable was in package or software. Software I downloaded from the internet. Then I searched how to make this cable. Found a few guides which of course did not work for me. So I was pushed to discover how. It's fairly simple, believe me. That is how it happened. What you need to make this cable? You need this RJ45 melee connector. One of these modules. This I ordered these all three because who knows when I'm going to need another one like this. But specifically my model was this one, which I had from like before 10 years. And I placed it, I printed this box on my printer. It does not using screws, it's just to open it like this. And thank you to AliExpress because connector, you see, board is flat inside, but connector, as you can see, going under, I don't know, it's not straight, it's but it does not making any problem. It can be plugged in. Let's see first, before I show you how to build this cable, how cable works. So I will plug it into USB, but I want you to be able to see. This is can I pull this? Yes, now you can see my USB hub. So it glowing red. Yep, you can see it glowing red. Now I will plug it here in unplug microphone and plug station here cable. Now everything is plugged. I can go in device manager, as you can see, and find what Silicon Labs COM9. We found it. So I will radio file new, okay, untitled radio, read from radio, query source, no, how, download from radio, AnyTone, as you can see, COM9 was even before, so now you can see that it works. I will say, and look at the station, what will happen. Okay, look at this, how it works. You see, it triggers station to go into USB mode and read from station. I will speed this up now. So you see just that cable works, that it's not talk about something which does not work. This is what it read from my radio station. You see, when it finished operation with radio stations return to previous mode, listening on two channels. Now I will unplug it. There is no need for work anymore. I will plug back my microphone because you have seen that cable works nicely. Okay, now let me show you what you need to do. When you take your module, find wires which ground, blue wire, receive and takes. So receive pin and transmit pin. You have to tie both pins together, but place resistor 1 kilo ohm between pins. Then connect wire direct to the receive pin, but across 1 kilo ohm resistor to the transmit pin. That is needed to make phase shifting between transmit and receive. That's all on this side. You don't need anything. 2 wires. Cable using only 2 wires. Can you see? Data wire pin 8, blue wire, ground wire pin 1. That is when you look like this. So that is how you build this cable. If anything not clear, please do not hesitate to comment down and ask. I still answering every question on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this and see you soon with new video. Bye bye.